After copying the activator to your SD card, insert it into SD slot 2, since slot 1 is probably already used by the maps. Press and hold Setup and Return for a few seconds to open the Update menu. Go to Update, select SD2, and confirm Navi Maps activation. Choose the standard method, then go to Start Download and press Start. Wait for the installation to finish, and make sure that FSC OK is shown. Then select Continue and Abort Documentation. Once the system restarts, enter Navigation, and that's it. Your maps are now activated. If this helped, leave a like. If you need help, drop a comment. And if you'd like to support the channel, feel free to send a donation through YouTube.